Are you a business owner struggling to find reliable interior contractors who can deliver complete, hassle-free renovation solutions for your commercial space? Managing multiple contractors, dealing with delays, cost overruns, and inconsistent quality can turn your renovation project into a nightmare. You need a space that reflects your brand and creates the right environment for your business, but the traditional contracting process often leaves you frustrated and overwhelmed. That's where our commercial turnkey interior contractors come in. We handle everything from initial design concepts to final installation, managing all trades and timelines under one roof. Our experienced team ensures seamless coordination, consistent quality, and on-time delivery, so you can focus on running your business while we transform your space. Contact us today to schedule your consultation and get the professional commercial interior you deserve without the stress. To know more details, visit our website link in description. Don't forget like, share and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.